Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. And today we will have a little bit unusual idea because we will speak not about just what PTO Pro can do, but we will speak about general opportunities which we face, which we have with drones. I mean, unmanned aerial vehicles and how we can apply them in useful way for agriculture, for crop production. And I want to show you in LinkedIn, there is a network called LinkedIn. I have newsletter called AI in Agriculture. So we will discuss one of the newsletters. And here you can see that the title says everything. So how drones are used in precision irrigation. And speaking about this topic of precision irrigation, there are different ways how you can save the water. And again, it will be a separate topic. But one of the aspects of smart irrigation is not just applying technologies to save the water, but also to monitor how effective is this water use using technologies. And drones are particularly good for specific tasks in monitoring the water stress in the plants, as well as any type of leakages. But what is interesting regarding this newsletter is that I tried to show the research paper. So it's not just my thoughts. Obviously, there are so many smart people around, smart teams who get funds for their work, and they can do proper deep research and provide some summaries, some overviews of application of drone technologies or any other technologies for agriculture. So this research paper was published by the researchers from the United States. And yes, I have tagged them as well. So please, if you are on LinkedIn, follow them, because these guys are creating the agricultural science and agricultural deep tech science. So additionally, as you can see in my newsletter, I try to show not just the results which our scientists bringing us, but also to show the impact. So what does the water stress look like? And here is it taken from a different research paper published by Chinese scientists in 2022, but it demonstrates the both sides when the plants are under water stress and they are over flooded, let's say, so you can see everything. And also what is good regarding this specific research, they are expressing four main methods how the sensing technologies are used. So they express knowledge about thermal methods, multispectral, hyperspectral, and sensor fusion. And this is very interesting point, that sensor fusion means mix. So they actually separated this thermal, multispectral, hyperspectral, and then mix of everything. So mix of these three. And here you can just read it. And yes, very good thing, what I also discovered in this research paper, they're not just writing about the technology, they're providing some real look. And here you see the photos. These are the thermal cameras. And then we have the multispectral cameras. Oh, I don't have my multispectral today, but I will show you on one occasion. And then we have these hyperspectral cameras. But the challenge of these cameras is that it's expensive tool. So not every farmer is rich enough to buy these tools. And as I mentioned, fusion is about thermal, spectral, and structural data, how it works together. And also here I added some interesting examples how it looks like. So how the result of using thermal camera looks like. And here you can see. So and again, I try to enrich the content as much as possible, because it's just interesting to see not pure reading and digging into the roots of this how to apply AI, but also see some practical level of AI application and specifically for using drones for monitoring water stress in crops. Yes, and as usual we have references and yes, my invitation to my beginner-friendly course, human-friendly course, yeah, because I created it just for people who are like me, who are interested in what is AI and how does it work. I believe the more we educate ourselves and educate others around, the better result we will get, because we are all in the same boat, on the same planet. So thank you so much for your time today, and see you tomorrow.